What's up, guys? JT back at Team FAS Motorsports. Today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the roll-up toolkit from Super ATV. We have, I think, 3 or 4 of these left in stock. They were a pre-order. Super ATV, I think, got like 300 of them, and they were pre-sold before they even came in. So, pretty cool kit. We're going to go ahead and cut this open, show you guys what's inside. Okay, so that's what the toolkit looks like right there. I haven't seen one of these opened up yet, so pretty excited to see what's all included. Okay, so right away across the bottom here, you have your open end wrenches, 21 to 16 on the bottom. And you have your 15 all the way down to 8mm on the top. You also have small 1/2-inch drive breaker bar, 6-inch 1/2-inch extension, 6-inch 3/8 extension, all your torque bits, Phillips head. You have your flathead up here, your Allen keys up here. You have a pressure gauge from 10 psi up. You have a punch. And you have your 3-inch 1/2-inch extension. You have your 3-inch 3/8 extension. Got your 3/8 ratchet, fine tooth. Let's go down here. You have snap ring pliers. And you have all the different ones to go, all the different snap ring attachments to go on those pliers. You have a set of needle nose. You got a nice hammer. You got a chisel, use it as a pry bar, I guess, as well. Up top, got another one. Another set of these. Got some side cutters. You have a large adjustable. And let's see what's in the side here. Okay, so in the side, you have your full rack of all your sockets, as well as swivel head. And you do have 3/8 to 1/2-inch adapter and 1/2-inch down to 3/8 adapter. So that is what goes in this kit. This is a pretty awesome setup. This will pretty much get you going on the trail with whatever you need. We've looked at a lot of Trailside kits over the years, and they all kind of seem to lack something because they're not really meant for the side-by-sides. They're either for Jeeps or trucks or just a generic roll-up tool bag. But this one with the Torx set, the Allens, and all the other stuff, that's great to basically any of your body parts here, you know, you'll be able to reach and get those out without a problem. So again, Super ATV roll-up toolkit. They're on our website. I believe we do have 3 left right now in stock. They are back ordered as well, so once these 3 go, they will be on back order. But real nice kit from Super ATV, super easy. This one we're going to be keeping for ourselves on the Ranger here. But again, real nice toolkit, Super ATV. Get you going on the trail, whatever you need. So this one's ours. But if you want yours, just hop on over to teamfasmotorsports.com and we'll get you set up with one, or give us a call, 914-799-5558. Thanks for watching.